It's a big day here in the Kathy McDavid household. The author copies of our release later this month, Blizzard Refuge, have finally arrived. Now for the great, grand, and glorious box opening. I have my helper today, Nacho, my four-footed muse. Every writer must have one. And I'm going to use my trusty box opening scissors. Okay, let's see what we can do here. I'm usually not very good at multitasking by holding scissors and a phone at the same time. There we go. That took a little bit. Oh. I must put my tools down. Safety first. Look. Oh. There it is. Ta-da! My second love-inspired suspense, part of the Mountain Rescue Collection, Blizzard Refuge. New York Times best-selling author Kathy McDavid. Look at that. There's the back. You can read the back. Caught in a snowstorm and a killer's crosshairs. How exciting. Oh, this is thrilled. How are you feeling, Nacho? Overwhelmed, I see. Yes, I know you're proud of me. Look at your tail wagging. Oh, okay. Well, maybe not. Oh, well, we gotta look. How about that? Anyway, pretty exciting, pretty thrilled. This book's going to hit the shelves around the 26th or 27th of this month. I can't wait.